Hello, everybody. I'm Leo,
And I'm Marie,
and we are
the
the
Traveling
Traveling Lovebirds.
Lovebirds.
We are here in,
Medford, New Jersey, on Route 70, off of 70, at
yes,
the Dutch,
we came across this Amish place. It's called the Dutch Wagon Farmers Market,
yeah,
right?
Amish Farmers Market, yeah.
Yeah, it's a really cool place. They got
Nice
a
stuff there, food, furniture, sheds,
produce.
bakery, yeah.
They have a bakery. So come along with us. We are going to go inside and see what this place has to offer. Here's a Dutch Wagon Amish Market's address. It's located at 109 Route 70, Medford, New Jersey. Here are their hours: Friday 9 to 7 and Saturday 8 a.m. to 4. So we walk up into this place, and as soon as we walk through the door, they have that beautiful meat market.
Deli right there. Really
Yeah,
nice.
they,
The only thing I don't like is
it's
pre-sliced. Yeah.
pre-sliced stuff. Yeah, we're not big fans of
Look at
that.
all that nice looking meat, huh?
Yeah, look at
They
that.
bought some
Fresh
grillers and
rope sausage.
yeah, they had the bacon, buy 1 pound, get 1 pound free.
Yeah, I'm not big on that shavings either,
Yeah. And we've
but
tried those egg rolls.
they're really good. We
Yeah.
had the cheesesteak ones. A little salty,
Little salty, yeah.
but they're good. The kids love them.
Yeah. The
Um,
bacon, all that's what we got right there, the special.
yeah, we got
The
this.
applewood smoked bacon.
Yeah, you buy
One
2 pounds.
pounds,
No, you buy 1 pound,
you
you get
get
a
one
pound
pound
free.
free, yeah.
So that was a good deal. Then
There's
we
stuff for
got
the
those
grill.
they're called chillers.
Grillers.
Oh, grillers. I'm sorry, they're called grillers. And then they
There's
have,
a nice section there too, yeah, with the
yeah, with
cheeses and
cheeses, and
those
that's
are
the pre-wrap
pierogies,
stuff.
yeah. Oh, and that's the egg rolls too. Oh, those are the spreads.
Yeah,
Those are nice spreads, all the different varieties, cream cheeses and spreads.
really good. This is their bakery. Their bakery was it's to die for.
Yeah,
There's a lot of good stuff at the bakery. Now Marie likes to get the
the
seasonings
spices
here and
and
the
the rolls,
pasta.
the pasta noodles,
Um,
the
they have
fudge there.
the fudge. I bought those. Those were
Yeah,
really good. Those are
yeah,
those energy bars.
yeah.
They're energy balls,
Yeah,
actually,
she told
protein
me how
balls.
to make it. It's made with like a honey peanut butter base.
Yeah,
So, yeah, we're gonna try making them. And she said just roll it with oats and whatever.
they have
Unfortunately, well, fortunately, we didn't buy any
candy.
candy.
But we bought some of the George stuff.
Right,
We
we did
got
get the beets.
Harvard beets. I'm
Yeah.
big on those Harvard
Yeah,
beets.
they had
I
the
love
deviled
those.
eggs look delicious. And those fresh cut watermelon and fruits and everything were really
Really
good.
good. And
The salads. And they had like what sauerkraut, peaches. Here's all like the pre-made stuff that you get to weigh. You got the bread
bread
pudding.
pudding. Yeah, the bread pudding was very good too.
Yeah.
We ate that when we got home.
Hmm.
That was really good. It's a little expensive.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize it. It was 7.99 when we brought it home. But they had the hot meals too. The
Oh,
chicken
the
and
chicken, that roasting. Yeah,
the roasted chicken,
the
and then the
rotisserie.
ribs.
Yeah.
They have the rotisserie. Now the
They have the
prices
ribs
aren't
too.
too bad. They're yeah, the prices weren't too bad on the
Yeah, like look at
platters.
that platter. You get the whatever that is, and then you get two sides with it. The potatoes or carrots or the vegetables.
Everything looked really
Yeah,
good.
and then you
We
can buy
had
it by pound.
we
Yeah.
had the chicken before. The barbecue
Yes,
chicken
the
was really good.
rotisserie. And it's a breast. It's doesn't have
It's
the
all
wings
meat.
on it. Yeah,
All
it's all
meat.
meat. Yeah.
Oh my God, it was so good. Then they have the regular chicken, and then they had more. So they're really big on their bulk stuff. Like
Yeah.
they like to
The
do the
dried
bulk
beans.
dried beans and everything. Then we
Yeah, there's
went,
a little gift shop downstairs.
yeah, we went downstairs, and
Candles,
they have all the candles and
Amish made tchotchke stuff,
yeah,
placemats,
the
handmade.
candles were hanging.
Yeah, they made
That's
them.
like they make them, they dip them and everything. So
Yeah.
It's we never bought them like that, but supposedly they. I like them in the jar. Marie
Yeah.
likes to get them in the jar. Um, it's really they had a lot of nice, neat stuff.
Like the
Little,
table runner there was nice.
yeah, all Amish made stuff. We really enjoyed it. We
Yeah.
we like going to get the, especially like in Lancaster. We go to Lancaster. Brought back some memories of
Yeah, we used to
Lancaster
buy a
here.
lot of this stuff in the
Yeah,
past, but we haven't as much. I mean, how much more can you buy? But
yeah,
unless something really catches my eye, like look at these nice flower arrangements and wreaths.
yeah. They got a lot of centerpieces
Yeah,
and um.
furniture.
So then we go back upstairs
Yeah,
and there's a they have the birdhouses. They have a little winery section over here
yeah.
too. So
You can sample the
you could
wines.
sample them. It's a nice little thing. Then we went outside, and outside has like all the stuff that they sell, but the kids are playing on it, but they also sell that stuff too, the
Yeah,
sheds,
the swing sets.
swing sets and everything.
Oh, this is us going up.
It's a
On the east
restaurant.
side, yeah, there's like a little corner cafe. It's really cute, small, really good. We've never actually eaten there, and this is the pretzels we got.
Yeah, we get the pretzels and the wrapped hot dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought a hot dog and a
Pretzels.
pretzel, and we're
Soft
gonna sit
pretzels, and
outside.
I had got one of the hot dogs. There's no cheese, it's just a hot dog wrapped in pretzel dough. What were the price of these? I think it was $4.75. $4.75. And huh. I didn't know they even had little tables out there. Right?
Good. How's your pretzel dog?
It's good.
Yeah, mine is too.
You want to taste? Sitting area right here that we're just enjoying our hot dog on a nice day. People are sitting out there.
The swings, the kids are all out playing.
They sell that furniture, I think.
Yeah.
How much furniture is neat? Nice little awning.
You could tell this awning was Amish made too.
Yeah.
It was really nice. So while Marie was in the bathroom, I found this wall here that everybody puts their business cards on. So I put our traveling lovebird sticker up there. So if anybody sees that, let us know.
You can grab it if you want.
Yeah.
There's a snack section.
You remember those potato chips in a
Yeah.
box? They had them there. Goods.
Bags.
It's called Goods. So then we got the ice cream. The
Yeah.
ice cream was really
I
good.
got the peach pie was a limited edition, and you got the chocolate peanut butter.
Chocolate
It's
peanut butter swirl.
very. It's $5.75.
It's so creamy. It's really good ice cream.
Just get one cone. It's that much. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's our Harvard Beats.
So here's some of the stuff that we came home with. We had the Harvard Beets. The bread pudding was,
Pricey.
wow,
I don't know.
nice.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd get that again.
Yeah, but it was, I guess because of the
What do we
weight, it
get?
was heavy.
Noodles for my chicken soup. The Popeye noodles.
Yeah, Marie loves these Popeye noodles. Well, we all do. All the
Yeah.
kids do too.
And then I get my flavored chicken base with the parsley. It's got herbs in it. So it's nice. It starts all my chicken soups. And then we got that rope sauce. Very not greasy whatsoever.
Yeah, it's very good sausage.
And then we got the pepper and onion grillers. Those you just grill. They're like sausages
You
with
just throw them
peppers in
on
it.
the
You just throw
grill.
them on the grill.
And here's the
Oh,
bacon. Look at how nice they sliced the bacon. And it's, was it, what was it? 9.99 a
yeah.
pound.
But we got buy one, get one
Buy
free.
one, get one
So it was
free. And
like,
see how nice they wrap it and everything?
yeah.
Um, then
There's
here's, these are my peanut butter.
peanut butter
What are
energy
they?
balls. Yeah.
Energy protein balls, they called
Yeah.
them. Then they had all their Amish made
Yeah, you can
furniture.
get the crafts or
No,
anything.
but look at these. Look at these sheds.
Sheds,
They're like
tall
little houses.
houses.
They really are. Look at this one. It's like a big house with a
It is,
garage.
I know.
So, but if anybody's interested, here it is. There's the number
There's
you
the
could call.
information, yeah.
So we had such a great time. It was a quick, this is going to be a little quick video. And I want to thank everybody for coming along with us on this little short Amish trip
Yeah,
day that we had.
can make it out there. I mean, it's not big, but you know, it had everything there that you need or want, and it's
If you
easily
like
accessible. Yeah,
that home style cooking,
yeah.
and I'll
Good
tell you,
rates.
there's the place to go. And
It's
it's close to home. You don't have to go to Pennsylvania. If you're in Jersey, you know what I mean?
yeah, Lancaster,
So
yeah.
the address of this place was I gotta look at it and see. So the place is called Dutch Wagon Amish Market, and it's in located at 109 Route 70, Medford, New Jersey. And I'll tell you, it's the place to be. It was really nice. Here are their hours. And we had such a good time. So thank you so much for coming along with us. And we will see you on the next memory. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you wish. And you could even share this video if you like. See you in the next memory.
Shine like the sun. What a day.